Is this Tilta FX3 cage essential? Something that you'll need? Something that's worth it? Let's find out. Hello everyone, my name is Jutan Al-Ahmed and today we're going to be unboxing the Tilta FX3 cage. Let's go. There we go, my handy knife. Let's do a nice little cut, I'm joking, do a quick slice and dice and then use your hand to tear the rest. Very nice. Outer packaging, ooh, I like stuff like this. Full camera cage for Sony. Let me, obviously it's coming all sealed up. Let me just cut the seal. Oops. Because then you'll actually be able to read. Oh, I love these sounds. Oh no, I dropped it on my MacBook. Lol. Anyway, the Tilta. So it's a full camera cage for the Sony FX3 and FX3. It's made out of titanium. And this actually goes nicely with the FX3. This is why I got it. So pro gear within reach. It's actually pretty expensive, to be honest, for just a cage. But yeah, it's something, because obviously the camera obviously costs so much already. I thought I'd get it just to protect it. And it's lightweight and portable, steady and secure, easy installation. So when they say lightweight, it's actually 260 grams. This is the opening of the box. And let's see what's actually in here. So there's a bit of bubble wrap. The cage. Okay, so that will nicely go onto the FX. And then there is a top handle here. Obviously, I won't be using that because I actually use the XLR handle. So I'm going to leave that out. So here is a quick shot of the item itself with whatever contents it has in the box. Anyway, I just did want to show you some actual close-ups of the item. When I say item, I mean the Tilta, lol. I don't know why I'm saying item, lol. Anyways, ooh, what does that say there? Pro gear within. Excellent. They just want everybody to know that it's pro gear, lol. I hope you guys can see how many threads there are. This is excellent. The FX3, even though it's a cinema line camera, only has one thread on the bottom, which is ridiculous. And obviously, you don't want that to get damaged now, do you? Another hot shoe mount here. I like the fact that it's very nice and grippy there. But yeah, so this is the top handle. Might as well take it out for you. Show you a nice close-up. See, what I'm sad about is this Tilta is not going to be on the FX3. I actually like the name Tilta. I don't know why. But yeah, looks good. Just showing you some of the close-ups. These as well. What do you think? Comment down below if you think that this is something that you would buy. I think it's essential. I think it's something that you need. It's a fraction of how much the camera actually costs. Imagine you drop the camera or something and just damaged it. I would really highly recommend getting, not just, you don't need to get Tilta, but an actual cage. Some cages also have like a handle. That's only if you're going to be walking outside and stuff. I don't ever take this camera out because it's primarily for making these videos and stuff. But I think it's a good idea to buy one. Did you enjoy this video? If you did, pop a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. Comment down below if you have anything you want to say to me, or if you want me to make any future videos on whatever you want. And lastly, let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. See you next time. Take care.